Good morning. We will talk about software called the TreeShed. This software I have been developing over a decade, and you can find totally free from Adobe Exchange website, exchange.adobe.com, and from Creative Cloud search for TreeShed. After installing TreeShed, at first about the software, it's for content management, assets management, and auto-generating for design. Support team collaboration, file synchronizing between computers. And after installing Adobe Bridge, at first I want to say that it has two parts: local server, Node.js server, Node.js server through this file. After installing, you will have this file. Execute as a Node.js server, and I have here tunneling service to connect the local server to the internet, so the end user can fill online form to auto-generate design remotely through the Adobe software, especially Adobe InDesign. Adobe InDesign will open the file, update the content, and auto export. So within a minute the design will be on the page, on the online page for the end user. After installing TreeShed in Adobe Bridge, restart Adobe Bridge. TreeShed will ask you to create root folder. Here I have this root folder inside the partition TRST. This folder, workshop, will be created automatically, and there are parallel locations for output, like here workshop, but here we have pages for InDesign document, versions for any file. You can create versions for each file, so no need to rename the file or duplicating arbitrary. Sometimes write final at the end, sometimes write ultimate final. And here final PDF for auto exporting documents. Here versions PDFs. Each version for InDesign document have a PDF. And here trash. If you select from TreeShed menu, move to trash, then the file go there. All these locations are parallel. So if I select this file and go to versions, I will have the same related path, but instead of workshop I will have versions. Here I don't have any version for this image, so I can right click and select create a new version. Put under editing, that prevent other collaborators from reading this version until you finish and update. If you click no, it will be checked as done version. If I go here, you will see that you have version here, and tree shed automatically label the file to indicate the current version, because the current version can be old number, not necessarily the latest one, because some users may be in return back to an old version and set it as current. For editing, don't edit or rename any location except workshop for renaming files. If you rename a file, the renaming will be reflected. Let's delete this. Move to trash, cancel now. Okay, now the file here change. Also, if you move to a different folder, tree shed automatically reflects this change on all locations, on pages, versions, all these. So if I go to versions, I will have the file inside photos folder. If we make a new version for this file, if we modify the working copy or the workshop copy, let's open Adobe Photoshop. Where we let's make any change. It's TBG. Let's save. Okay. Let's merge the layers. Okay. Now tree shed automatically label the file in workshop copy to indicate that it needs to be checked in. So you need that this photo, the editing copy different from the current version file. So here I can check in to update current version, check in to update version 1, or I can create a new version. If I click create a new version, no, because I finished editing. Now if you refresh, the label gone. And if we go to versions, you will have var01, var02, and this is the current one. Let's refresh again here. Okay, now var02 is the current version. If we want to edit var01 again, we double click. TreeShade will ask you, do you want to set this version as current? var01 photo, click yes. Now automatically go to editing copy in workshop location and update it with the var01 that we set current, and now we can edit this. Okay, now again it needs to be checked in, and now I can check in var01 to update it. Check in as final, yes. Refresh or just click F5. Now if we go to versions, you will have var01 and var02, and the current version is var01, not var02. This is the selected version, and also it's final, labeled in this purple color, pink. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.